So when we are down at base camp, we have to rest, but these are also active rest days, which mean that we do little walks and treks to stretch our legs. So today we are walking from one end of Everest Base Camp to the other end, just to get a bit of exercise. And out there to the right you can see the Khumbu Icefall, which we have to cross each time we climb up, and it takes about 6 to 7 hours to go from Everest Base Camp to Camp 1 through the icefall, which is one of the most dangerous parts of this expedition. And let's see over at the back there. And we have our team, Josh, who's a guide in red, up ahead, and 2 other climbers. And this is what Everest Base Camp looks like, for those of you who want to know what it's like. Not a very clear day today, but you can get a sense of the fact that there's lots of ice and rocks all around. That's it for now. We'll send more updates as we go along. Bye.